Good evening traders and welcome to Trades FX. It's Tuesday the 26th of March 2024 and the time is 12 minutes to 12 PM UK time. Traders, welcome back to the channel. Traders, I just want to ask you if you've been enjoying this content, if you're enjoying the videos that I'm now putting up, come across and subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, press the bell icon. All of that just helps this channel to grow, and I like to get the YouTube bit out of the way, but it is important that you give your boy a like and help this channel. So let's just get back into the markets. Let's just see what's been going on, and what I've got for you here is a little bit of trade management on a trade that hopefully I think is going to be coming to a fruition fairly shortly, but we'll see, because you know the market likes to play with you. The pair that I'm talking about is the Swiss franc Japanese yen, and as you can see here, I'm here on the daily chart. Let me just grab that. I'm here on the daily chart of the Swiss franc Japanese yen. Now, let's just recap very quickly what has happened in this trade and how we find ourselves where we are, because over the long term, if you look back in this video, I want you to go back and watch the series of videos that have led us to this point, the videos that I recorded live back some 10 days ago now, okay, which explain to you why I'm looking, where I initially looked to get short, okay. All of my trades are initially fundamental and sentiment based. I then come back and look at the technical picture as to which way I'm going to go. Now, if you remember early on in this series, I said that I'm actually longer term bullish this pair. I'm expecting this pair to rise. However, I saw an opportunity based on sentiment and based on the chart patterns that was playing out here that we could have an opportunity to make some pips to the downside. Well, you've already seen what's happened so far, and now I'm about to tell you where we are. Now, this trade isn't over, but it's close to being over. If you look at where we are, my target is here. This is my second target, which is 300 pips. And as you can see, we're currently at 284 pips. So we're only 5-6 pips away from achieving second targets. The temptation is always to close a trade out early. I only ever do that if I see some sort of shift in the sentiment or a chart pattern that tells me otherwise. But right here, I can't see anything. So what I want to do now is all I really wanted to do is to show you where we are and just drop an alert in here, actually, just below this line, just to tell me that if should price cross down through this line, second target achieved. And if and when we do that, traders, I'll drop you in a video just to let you know. So the trade's going great. There's no two ways about it. The trade's going great, and you've watched this happen. You've watched every time I've done something, said something in this trade, I've recorded it live. It's just been phenomenal. So when you've got a trade idea, you always have to be one step of the curve, don't you? You always have to be one or two steps ahead of the market. And I'm already now thinking of my next move in this pair. Because remember, I'm bullish. Long term, I'm bullish. So if you remember, I said there are some areas of interest to me on the way down. Now, if we do take out these lows, that's that trade over and done with. So what I'm then going to be looking for is a price to move into a certain level, maybe here, maybe down here at the 61 or the 67.8%. Fib retracement, and then I'm going to look for a change of character. I'm going to be looking for some sentiment to give me a reason to think that we could be now getting back on the long-term trend to the north, upwards, or something technical here that I can't ignore to the long side. But let's see, traders, let's see what happens. I've been on here 4.5 minutes now, so I'm going to leave it there. The trade's going great. Hopefully we'll get this will happen in a few minutes or an hour. Oh, doesn't matter. We can't lose. So traders, thanks for checking in. Don't forget to come and subscribe and test the bell icon. Take care, traders.